Hey guys, so today I'm going to help you learn how to navigate the new Schoology platform that we'll be using. And the best way to access this is via Clever with your school email. So I'm going to use a student's account for this just to give you your perspective on Schoology. So when you get to Clever, you are going to scroll down to the link Schoology and you're going to click that link and it's going to ask you to sign in. You once again choose your school Gmail. And then you will be brought to this home page, which is basically your updates page. It gives you all the updates that your teachers, any important information your teachers have posted, and anything they're sharing with you. And you can scroll down. Obviously, if you have multiple teachers, you're going to see multiple places. If you have multiple classes, you're going to see different places those teachers have posted. Different updates. So there are multiple things you can see just on this homepage alone. You have access to your profile. You just click the arrow button, your profile. You also have access to notifications. So if there's a new assignment posted, you will see a number pop up beside this bell. And as you can see, there have been assignments posted so far. And you can click from here to those assignments to get to them. You see a messaging section where you can send messages, and I'll show you how to do that. You also see your calendar button that gets you to your calendar. And you can see all of your assignments that are to be completed this week or this month, depending on how far in advance your teachers post. There is your grade, so you can access your grades from here, your grade report, your attendance. You can also access extra resources. If you have any groups that have been set up by your teacher, you can access them here. And you can also access your courses at the top. Now, your courses right now at the top seem a bit unorganized. As you can see, lots of conduct, and you don't even see all of your core subjects. So I'm going to show you now how to access those. To get back to this home page, I just clicked Schoology at the top left corner, and it gets me back to this home page. And here you can access your course dashboard. When you get to your course dashboard, you once again see all of your courses, and you are now able to see every course that you are enrolled in. Now, if you do not like the setup, as you saw a minute ago, all of those courses were kind of unorganized, and we kind of want your core classes to be easier to access. And the way you can fix that is by going to this course dashboard, clicking on your course and dragging it while you're clicking to the top. So we're going to do that with a couple of courses here just so you can see. Click and drag. And so now when you go up here to courses, your first courses are those new organized core courses. And it will help you just kind of keep your core courses easier to access. So say you have a video conference for a course and your teacher is using the conferencing app within Schoology. You will go to the course. You will come to the left side. You will see the conferences button. If your teacher has set up a conference within Schoology, it will pop up here and you will be able to access the conference from the conferencing tab. Now, for this coming week, we will not be using the conferencing tab in Schoology. We will be using Zoom. And you can find those materials in this class video lessons recordings folder. You click that and you see tomorrow's Zoom is already prepared for you. And that is under materials. So you need to figure out what your weekly assignments are for the week. And there are multiple ways to do that. The first way you can do that is on your home page. You can see all of the assignments that are coming up, all of your upcoming assignments. You can also do that by clicking calendar, and all of your assignments for the week are also posted there. The other way you could access your assignments for the week is going to courses, click the course. Then you see this folder. It says the week 1, August 10 through 14. If you click that, you see each day has a folder and it's dated so you can easily see what day it is. And if you click that folder, you can see the assignments for the week. If there were an assignment in here, you would be able to see that assignment. If you click back to the week, I'll go to Wednesday. I know there are assignments posted. So you can click and you can see those assignments just for Wednesday. So you're able to access your assignments there as well. So say you want to send your teacher a message. There are 2 ways you can accomplish this. The first is by going to their course, clicking members, click the little button right here, the gear button, and you can click send a message, and you can right here send a message directly to your teacher. The other way to send a message to your teacher is to go to the messaging, to the little envelope at the top right. You click it, you click new message, and you just begin typing the teacher's name. Right there, you see my name has come up. You click my name, and there you can also send a message. Whenever you receive a message, you will have a notification number pop up right here on the envelope. Anytime you want to see your upcoming due dates for any of your work, you can go to the calendar, or once again, you can come over here and look at all of your upcoming work. And you can access your calendar from here as well. I do hope that this video was helpful. I know it was just a quick rundown, and honestly, your best bet is to just practice on Schoology, and you're gonna learn that everything's really easy to access, and I think it'll be a great resource for us throughout this whole virtual 9 weeks and however long that we happen to be virtual in the classroom. All right, thank you so much, and I hope this was helpful.